Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. Type 2 diabetes has become a very common problem many people deal with. Sadly, in our generation, the risks of developing diabetes have increased manyfold because of physical inactivity, high stress levels, being overweight, having had gestational diabetes during pregnancy, or having PCOD. There are certain yoga asanas which have shown to be quite useful in managing blood sugar levels as well as preventing the chances of developing diabetes later on. We'll go through these asanas today. So we are ready. Let's hop onto the mat and get going.
We will start with Salabhasana. Lie on your tummy with your legs straight and feet together. Keep your hands on either sides of the hips. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, raise your right leg up as high as possible. Ensure the leg is straight. Stay for a breath and come back. Again, take a breath in, and as you exhale, raise your left leg up. Stay for a breath and come back. Let's do this one more time on each side. Finally, let's do it with both the legs. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, raise both the legs up. Keep them straight and as close as possible. Now try to raise your torso up too, so that only your tummy is on the ground. Keep breathing and stay here for a few breaths. Then slowly come down. You can do this 3 times. Next we'll do Bhujangasana or the Cobra pose. Bring your hands right next to your shoulders. Then as you inhale, raise your body up. Keep the shoulders relaxed and rolled back. Your body below the navel should stay on the ground. Then come back. You can repeat this 3 times. Next is bow pose or Dhanurasana. Bend your knees. Stretch the arms back and hold the right ankle with the right hand and the left ankle with the left hand. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, pull the legs up by raising the knees and simultaneously lifting the chest off the ground. Maintain the pose and breathe normally. Then release the ankles, straighten the legs and bring the head to the floor and relax. You can do this twice. Next is Janusirsasana. Come up to a sitting position and extend your legs in front. Straighten your back. Make sure your toes are flexed such that they are pointing up. Then bring your left foot to the base of the right thigh. As you inhale, raise your arms up over your head. As you exhale, bend forward. Bring the hands to the toes and keep your back straight as you fold from the hips. Come back up. Let's do this once more. Inhale up. Exhale, start folding forward, leading with your chin. Keep the right knee straight and the toes flexed. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, fold all the way down. Slowly come up. Let's switch legs and do it on the other side. Inhale up, exhale, fold forward. Keep breathing and try to keep the back straight. Come back up. One more time. Inhale up, exhale, fold forward. Inhale, straighten the back. Exhale, try to go all the way down. Slowly come up. Next, we'll try to do this with both the legs extended in front. This is Paschimottanasana. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale and bend forward. Feel the fold from your hip joints. Stretch out your arms and let them reach the furthest they can, possibly till the toes. If you can't reach the toes, just rest the hands on the calves or the knees. Then as you inhale, lift your head up slightly and elongate your spine. As you exhale, move your nose towards your knees. Slowly come back. You can repeat this 2 more times. Next is Navasana or the boat pose. Bring the soles of your feet on the ground. Place your hands behind the hips and straighten your back. Now slowly lift your feet so that the shins become parallel to the floor. You can stay here, or you can raise both the arms and bring them in front of you while maintaining a straight back. This is Navasana. Now as you take a deep breath in, lower your torso and legs simultaneously to come into Ardha Navasana. Then as you exhale, pull yourself back up using the core muscles into Navasana. Let's repeat this a couple of more times. Inhale Ardha Navasana. Exhale Navasana. Inhale down. Exhale up. Inhale down. Stay for 3, 2, 1 and come all the way down. Just lie down and get your breath back. Then come back up. Now we'll do a twist called Marichayasana. Bend the left knee and place the left foot as close to the left hip as possible. Straighten your back, taking the support of the ground with both the hands. As you take a deep breath in, extend the right arm up and bring it on the outside of the left knee. Keep pushing the right elbow against the left knee and twist to the left. Keep your spine straight by taking support of the left hand. Then slowly come back. Let's switch legs and repeat this for the other side. As you inhale, take the left arm up. As you exhale, bring it on the outside of the right knee and twist to the right. You can stay here, or if you want a deeper twist, you can try to get hold of the left knee with the left hand as you twist to the right. Slowly let go and come back. Next, bend both your knees and kneel on the floor. Lower your buttocks to come into Vajrasana. Then keeping your knees together, spread the feet out to lower the buttocks on the ground. Keep the toes pointing back and touching the floor. If you find it difficult to spread the feet, bring the feet in and rest the buttocks on them. You can gradually move the toes further apart as you become flexible. Then place your hands behind the hips and taking support of the elbows, recline all the way back. Try to keep your knees together, but if it puts too much strain on the knees, move them apart slightly. You can take your arms over your head and rest in Supta Virasana. Stay in this pose and keep breathing. This pose is great for stretching the abdominal organs and the pelvic region. Slowly come up, taking support of the hands and extend your legs forward. Then lie down on your back. Bring both the arms on either sides in line with the shoulders. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, raise both the legs up till they become perpendicular to the floor. Stay here for a breath, keeping the legs as straight as possible. Then as you exhale, lower both the legs to the left side till they almost touch the left hand. Try to keep the right shoulder and the upper back on the floor to maintain the twist. Stay here for a few breaths. Then as you inhale, lift both the legs up to bring them back to the center. As you exhale, lower them on the other side. Keep breathing in the pose. Bring the legs back up and slowly bring them down. Finally, let's do Sarvangasana or the shoulder stand. Stay on your back. Bring your feet together and keep your hands on either side of the hips. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, lift both your feet and bring them to 90-degree angle. From here, taking the support of your hands, lift the hips up and start lowering the legs over the head to come into Halasana. It is okay to stop at any point where you start feeling any strain. Keep breathing normally here. Then fold your arms and bring the palms to support your lower back. Then raise both the legs one by one so that they point straight up. This is Sarvangasana. Stay here for 5 breaths. Then bring the legs back down in Halasana. Then slowly lower the hips down and bring back the feet on the ground. You can repeat this twice. Now, keeping your hands near the hips, push your elbows down and lift your torso up. Keep the crown of your head on the ground and arch your back. Keep breathing deeply and slowly. This is Matsyasana or the fish pose, and it is a great counter pose for Halasana. Now slowly come back, taking the support of your elbows and lie down in Shavasana. Relax in Shavasana for some time, taking deep relaxing breaths. Focus all your attention on your inhales and exhales. I'll leave you here. Take care and bye-bye.